Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so creating a drop-down list is fairly simple and it can actually just elevate your Excel sheet. If you want to make an interactive Excel sheet where you don't just type in data, but you can select data from a drop-down list, this video is perfect for you. So to get a drop-down list, we first need data or text to be able to drop down. So I'm just going to put in some, let's say, months, for example. Now let's do the whole year. We can do a couple of years. And we can actually, this is just to give you guys an idea. So here we can do select a month. Here we can do select a year. And in order to be able to get this in a drop-down menu, all this data. So normally when I create a sheet with data like this, I would usually store this data in another sheet. So I'll just normally any data that I want to display in the drop-down, I won't put it in the same sheet because you want to clear up the sheet and make it more elegant or a bit more optimized. But for this example, all the data will be right here so that you can see. So for the month, we need to get a drop-down list going right here. So in order to do that, we will head over to the data tab at the top here, and in the ribbon we'll go to data tools, and from there we'll go to this section that is data validation. We click on the drop down, go to data validation, and this pop-up will appear. So your validation criteria, from here you're going to select a list. Once you've selected the list, you need to source your list. So this is what are you going to put into your drop-down list. So for us, we are at the select a month, so we're going to do all of these months. So we've selected all of these months, put it in there, and there is a drop-down list. But you can go a bit further. We can go to the input message and actually input a title and an input message when someone clicks onto this cell. So for example, we'll put the title just month. The input message can be select a month from the drop-down list. So we've got an input message, we've got our title, and we can put in an error alert. So this will happen when someone tries to input something into that cell that is not part of the drop-down list. So for the title, we'll just go wrong selection, and the error message we can just put in anything. Please try again. Some exclamation marks there for just to be more serious. So once you've run through this, we've got our list, we've got everything that we want in our list. Our input message, our error alert. So we can just click OK. So once I click onto this cell, let's just highlight or border this cell so that you can see. Once I select the cell, you'll see the pop-up in our input message. So the title we put in month and select a month from the drop-down list. So once you click here, all of your data that you wanted in your list is visible here. So we'll pick July. If for example, I go and I select today. Let's type in data into the cell. So this does not corrupt your drop-down list or just take it away. If I press enter, you'll see here is our pop-up message, our error that occurred. So it's a wrong selection. Please try again. So if I go and fill in, if somebody fills in data into your dropdown, your dropdown list won't disappear. So this, we can just do the same example for the year, just to run it through again. Going to the data section, data tools, click on it, going to settings, choosing our list, and then the source for all our years that we want to select. So this is just a random couple of years for the example. Input message, we can leave this blank, and the error message, we can leave this blank for now, just to show you what happens. So if I select here, you can see there is no input message. If I go to the column or the select a month, there is our title and our input message. On this side, we don't have that, but we still have our drop-down menu. So we can pick here, there you go. If I try and do something stupid, it will just say this value doesn't match the data validation restrictions. So there is still sort of a error message, but you can type in your own to be more specific. But yeah, that's about it. So you've got your options. Drop-down list is very simple. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and please leave a comment down below stating what Excel videos you want to see more often, and even your own problems. Maybe we can make a video for you specifically for your problem to help you manage better. Enjoy the rest of your day. Until next time, cheers.